All children have within themselves special inherent quality and potential that is unique to them. Scientia recognize their quality, nurture, and give them a space to grow and blossom and dedicate a special place in the world. Let's see how they nurture the environment.
Hello everybody, it's me Bashir, Principal, Sirajul Huda English Medium School, Kuttiadi. Nowadays science and everyday life cannot and should not be separated. Science is essential, absolutely essential in our daily life, which is indispensable. As Edward Taylor said, science of today is the technology of tomorrow. I'm very proud to know the students of Sirajul Huda in association with the science department of the school providing opportunity to all the students to showcase their scientific skill and talents through virtual platform known as Scientia 2021. I congratulate all the students, teachers and parents who worked together to accomplish this goal, and I pray this may keep mileage in their scientific imagination and exploration. Thank you very much.
My name is Tenha Fatima. This is my garden. I love my garden. This is favorite flower. Thank you. Hi friends, this is my small garden. I love my garden. This is my favorite flower.
Why garden?
My grandfather and I water the plants every day. Thank you. Hi, I am Fatima Dia Nauri in first D class. This is my beautiful garden. I love my flowers. I like plants. I am Zia Fatima. This is my garden, my beautiful garden. Thank you. Hi, I am Ayman Sali, study class. This is my garden. I like flowers. This flower. This is my flower, my plant. This is my flower. Friends, I am Auf Muhammad, first D class.
What?
Today I am going to show my garden. Come, let's explore. My garden is so green. I water it. I water it every day. This is rambutan. This is chicky. This is chicky. This is rose and lovely. This is chiku tree. You see the chiku fruit? Chiku is so tasty. Thank you everyone for watching my garden. Fatima T first day class. This is my house garden. I am Alpha Liana. This is our beautiful garden. Here is many types of flowers. Beautiful. This is long big beans. Bye. Hi, I am Anfa Meffin. First study Sirajul Huda English Medium School Kuttiadi. I have a small garden. I love my garden and the flower very much. I water it every day. My plant.
Nature is everything we are surrounded by, like the water we drink, the air we breathe, and the sun we soak in, the birds we hear chirping, and the moon we gaze at, and more. There is magic and wonders for eyes who know how to look with curiosity and love. All things in nature, there is something of marvelous and is endless. Here are some wonders named by our children.
I am your baby that you wanna let go, even if the world's coming down.
Discovering new idea is an integral part of learning science. Science contributes to a well-being in many ways, fulfilling our need of inspiration, beauty, and awe, our need for a sense of place, and need for reverence and worship. charts, models, etc. are ubiquitous in scientific practice, and yet their sheer diversity of forms and roles dazzles anyone attempting to put into practice. Through this, children can establish, extend, and refine incomplete or incorrect ideas. It helps to understand the nature of science and allows them to improve skills such as thinking and evaluating ideas. Watch and enjoy.
Hi friends, today I am going to be showing you an easy experiment, red cabbage indicator. Red cabbage indicator is a purple color solution that is used to test whether the substance is acidic or basic. The ingredients that we are using are lemon juice, vinegar, water, sugar solution and baking powder solution. Now let's pour the red cabbage juice into each of those substances. Now as you can see, the colors have changed here. The substances that changed into pink or red are acids. The substances that changed into blue or green are bases. And the substances that still remain the same purple are neutral. So, thank you.
Studying someday. Today I am going to show you a very fun science experiment. My experiment name is rice in watering glass with burning candle. So we need a plate, an empty glass, candle, matchsticks and colored water. First I am going to pour colored water in the plate. Next, I am going to put a candle vertically in a plate. Now, let's light the candle. Next, cover the candle by an empty glass and see what happened. You can see that water is rising up slowly and the candle goes off. Why does that happen? That happens because fire needs oxygen to burn. When the candle is closed with the glass, the oxygen supply is stopped. When there is no oxygen, the flame goes off. And why does water rises up? Water rises up by the empty space of the oxygen. This is why the candle goes off and the water rises up. Thank you.
soda. So I'm going to pour vinegar into a bowl and baking soda in it. You can see that it is exposed here. When vinegar reacts with baking soda, carbon dioxide is produced here. Thank you.
I am Muhammad Bashir from 6th A. Dears, see these are to identify with acid and base. I have lemon soap solution, blue and red litmus paper. I take the blue litmus paper and dip it into a lemon. Look, its color changes into red. Now I take another litmus paper and dip it into soap solution. Its color does not change. Next I take red litmus paper and dip it into soap solution. Look, its color changes into blue. I take another litmus paper and dip into lemon. Its color does not changes. From this experiment, we know that lemon contains acid and soap solution contains base. Thank you. I am Abdullah Misal, class 5th A. Here is an interesting experiment. Drip drop bottle. For this experiment, we need a plastic bottle, a needle and water. Take a plastic bottle with a tightly fit lid. Put 6 holes near the bottom of the bottle. Fill the bottle with water. Tighten the lid. Notice the water is not poured out. When we open the lid, the water is pouring out. This is because when we cover the lid, means top of bottle is low pressure. When we open the lid, there is no vacuum, so the water flows freely. I am Hana Saliha, class 5th A. I am presenting 3 states of matter: solid, liquid and gases. This is the arrangement of molecules in solids. Molecules are very closely packed, hard, rigid, have a definite shape and volume. Liquid. This is the arrangement of molecules in liquid. Particles are less closely packed, do not have definite shape, have a definite volume. Gases. In gases, particles are loosely packed. Gases flow easily and can be compressed more easily.
Hello, I am Tashrifa from class 6B. Today I am going to do an experiment to check the fact. For this experiment I am taking 2 glasses of water, salt and 2 lemons. For this glass I am taking 1 lemon and put it in the glass. See, it is sinking. For this glass I am taking 2 tablespoons of salt and dissolve it. Take this lemon and put it in the glass. See, it is floating because the salt has higher density than the lemon. In this glass, the lemon has higher density than the water. Thank you.
I am Muhammad Naji from 8th standard. Today I am showing the experiment the levitating pencil. This is a very simple experiment to explain how the opposite poles of a magnet attracts with the same pole of the magnet repels each other. To do this activity we will need a pencil with 6 magnets and a foam board. Take the pencil with the magnet and place over the 4 magnets on the foam. Watch the pencil from air hovers in the air.
experiment we need water, 2 eggs, some salt and 2 glasses. Take the glasses and fill it with water. The first glass we take an egg and put in it. Second glass we add some salt on it. And mix it very well. Still the salt dissolve in the water. Then take another egg and put it in the water. The two glasses are different because the first glass we see that the egg is down and the another glass the egg is in upper. This is because the glass of normal water the density is the egg's density more than the water, and the second glass the egg's density is less than the salt water. Thank you. Have a nice day.
I made a windmill. Windmill is used to convert wind energy into mechanical energy. It consists of a wheel with blades in its outer rim. The wheel rotates about an axle mounted on a pole. The wind energy is used to rotate the wheel about its axle. Windmill is used for operating water pumps, graders, and also to produce electricity. This form of energy is pollution free and free of cost. It is a renewable source of energy and is available for all times. That's all.
Good morning everyone. Happy National Science Day. I'm Rena Rafiq from 8th standard. Today I'm going to introduce about water dispenser. When the cap of this bottle is opened, the water goes through the pipe at the bottom. This happens because when the bottle cap is closed, air cannot escape from anywhere. So, water cannot flow through pipe as if water would in vacuum, but when cap is inside bottle and water will come out. Thank you. Have a nice day.
This is the model of a solar panel for science exhibition. Solar panel is a simple process of converting sunlight into electricity. This is the good example for the application of solar energy. Solar panels are very easy and simple to be built and also not expensive.
Hello everyone, my name is Haya Abdul Samad from 4th standard. Today I am going to present an experiment about air. Air is what we breathe every time. And without air we can't live. We know that air is at pressure and it can be compressed. Do know more about air. I want to do an experiment. For this experiment, we need a bottle full of water, a piece of cover, 2 straws and 1 rubber band. Let's start the experiment. Now take the bottle and cover it. With the piece of cover tightly. Now put 2 holes to the size of this straw. Now start blowing through divine straw. Then the water comes out of the straw. It is because the air pressure which we blow displaced the liquids and pushed the liquids outside of the straw. I hope you enjoyed this video. Thank you. Have a nice day. Now start blowing through divine straw. Then the water comes out of this straw. It is because the air pressure when we blow displaces the liquids and pushes the liquid outside of the straw. I hope you enjoyed this video. Thank you. Have a nice day.
Hi, this is a well, this is water bucket, this is rope, this is axle. We rotate the axle, the water bucket goes down. We rotate opposite, the water bucket pull up.
Let's get started. The first thing I pick up here is that the cardboard. Then I take a bottle and put into the center of this cardboard. Then I take some soil and some water. Then I put this water into the soil. Then mix it well. I mix the soil very perfectly. Then we want to cover this bottle with the soil. I cover this bottle with the soil perfectly. Then we want to make the eruption. For that, I take some baking soda. Then I put into this bottle. Then some raw red spread food color. Then shampoo. The last step, we want to add this vinegar into this bottle. Wow, it is successful. Our volcanic eruption is ready. Thank you. Have a nice day.
Let's practice with teachers and my dear friends. It gives me an immense pleasure to talk on this great day, the National Science Day. National Science Day is celebrated on every year on 28th February. Why do we celebrate this day? What is the aim of this? We celebrate this day to commemorate the great invention of Raman effect by the great Indian physicist Dr. C.V. Raman. Sir Chandrasekhar Venkati Raman was born on 7th November 1888. He was a brilliant student right from the start. When he was only 19, he became a member of Indian Association for Cultivation of Science. Actually, what is Raman effect? It is the effect on the scattering of light when passing through the different materials. Every year, the National Science Day focus on a particular theme. In 2019, it was Science for the People and People for the Science, and in 2020 it was Women in Science. This day is celebrated as Science Carnival by organizing various events. This will provide a big platform for various newcomers to start their career in the field of science. This will also popularize scientific thinking and their application in day-to-day life. Scientific thinking will be possible only by asking questions. The case of Sir C.V. Raman. When he was on a trip, he happened to stood on the deck of the ship. He asked himself, why the color of the sea is always blue? He went on to find out the answer for it. This led to discovery of Raman effect on 28 February 1928. He got the answer for his question and also won the Nobel Prize in the physics in the year 1930. This is the first Nobel Prize in the field of science. So, my dear friends, whether you are a boy or a girl, if you are interested in science, let us ask questions to ourselves and find out the answer by ourselves. One day we can also a great achiever in the field of science. Thank you.
Respected principal, teachers and my friends, today I am talking a few words about National Science Day. National Science Day is celebrated every year in India on 28th February with great enthusiasm. It is celebrated to commemorate the discovery of Raman effect by Indian physicist Sir C.V. Raman on 28th February 1928. He was a brilliant student right from the start. When he was only 19, he became a member of Indian Association for Cultivation of Science. He used to spend most of the time after his office in the laboratory of the association. For this discovery, Sir C.V. Raman was awarded the Nobel Prize in Physics in the year 1930. This was the first Nobel Prize for India in field of science. The first National Science Day is celebrated in India on 28 February 1987. It is celebrated to spread the awareness about importance of science in daily life. I am stopping here a short talk about National Science Day. Thank you.
Respected principal, teachers and my dear friends, I am Muhammad Abdullah from class 4th B. It gives me a great pleasure to talk on this great day, the National Science Day. National Science Day is celebrated on every year on 28th February. It was on the same day that Sir C.V. Raman made to the world his greatest invention, the Raman effect in the year 1928. He was awarded and honored in the year 1930. The Nobel Prize in the physics for his great success in the field of science in India. The main objective of celebrating the National Science Day